Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GNCP. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Did this one once before. I believe it was after this big pullback day here, and these lines you see were from that video that I did. So if you want to go back and see exactly where these lines came from, then you can go back in the archives and do that. But want to get things updated here. Have had some questions come in on it, and it's looking like the chart is getting ready here to potentially make a move upwards. The bleeding has stopped. This day was a big bleed, but since then you can see, quote unquote, the bandage that has formed right here, that being the sideways channel, the sideways action of price, whatever you want to call it. Point being, the price is obviously no longer falling down. It has stabilized, and not to pat myself on the back, but certainly to pat just technical analysis and charts on the back, I drew this green line. I have not touched it. If you don't believe me, just once again go back and look in the video archives, and I pointed this out being a key level of support, and sure enough, look what has managed to be the bottom of this support channel right here, 0006. So again, not patting myself on the back, but this does show charts do work when you know what you're looking for. And if you think I maneuvered this line around or something, go back in the video archives. It's there, and you'll see where I drew this line, and that's exactly where the bottom of this channel is forming as support. So on that note, the key area of support is 0006, but as the chart has shown, let's see, 2 times there, another 2 times right there. On this day, broke below it, but because we're looking at the daily chart, we care about where the close was, so it closed up above it. So essentially 5 times now, the bears have tried to push the price down below there and close down below there, and the bulls have said, no, we're not having any of that. So good to see that 0006 is indeed the key level of support. In terms of resistances, or maybe if you want to call it the top of this channel, that level seems to be right up there at let's see, what is that? 0011. So 0011 is kind of the breakout point, which would be a channel breakout pattern. And with a breakout of that, essentially, actually what I'm going to do is change this to the color of blue sky, because essentially what a channel breakout would be a mini blue sky breakout. Just going to get rid of this, because really the next level of resistance isn't until way up here. So that's, a lot of room for the price to potentially run. So I'll just call this a little mini blue sky breakout here. So again, 0.0011 is the resistance, but if you get through there, no other resistances until, back up at the top of this previous run up there. So some nice upside potential there. But nice to see that the downwards momentum have stopped. It's put in this sideways channel. Now it's just a matter of seeing if the bulls can get up here and push through it. So it'll be interesting to see what happens next week. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, and you enjoy the video and want to learn more about charting, or maybe you already use charts and are looking for some advanced strategies, I'd encourage you to click on the image up above. Check out some of our video courses designed from beginners to advanced traders, everything that you can think of. We just released a new course this past week, Trampoline Trading, all about how to master the bounce and find short squeezes before they happen. So I'd encourage you to check out the courses, check out Trampoline Trading. They've been getting good third-party reviews and testimonials. One more time, this was GNCP. Thanks for listening, and have a great weekend.